Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing this hologram video, and first things first, I just rearranged the canvas to a 9x16, just get those ready, and I think that's good to go. And next I just go and put together, just watch through and get the perfect spot in the video that works for this effect. So just play through the timeline and cut away whatever parts that don't work. So just do that quickly. Okay, so we have about 19 seconds of the clip. The first thing you like to do with this video is to get a duplicate and overlay the second. So we're going to duplicate it and make sure one is an overlay layer, right? Now the idea is that we're trying to not mask, we're trying to separate the phone on a separate layer, right? Now if you notice, I'm trying to line this up at the point where I tap the phone. So the idea is that I tap the phone, the hologram display comes up, and I work with that. So sorry, it's not a mask. We go over to remove background. Now it's essential to note that this is only available for the pro users, all right? Of course, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, just remember to subscribe. Do so right now, guys. Okay, so next thing is, once we have that perfectly lined up, I would mute the clip because I don't want the audio. I'm actually not working with this audio, so I'll mute the audio and get back to remove BG, that's remove background, right? And custom removal is what we'd like to work with. Now, custom removal, we're going to paint over the area of the canvas we want to remove. So you could use the quick brush, but it's not always accurate, right? Depending on how your frame is, it's usually not always accurate, but I think this is fine. So what I'll just do is click on the erase and just manually erase. Now you notice all the parts in red are going to be on a separate layer. Every other part is out, so what is going to be showing is just the parts that are in red. So I'm going to erase every other part, make sure there is no red on any other part of the frame, and I'll just speed that up and do it real quick. Now once that is fine, head over and just walk through, right? You see that if I scale the clip, the overlaid clip, you find out that it's just the phone that is being scaled. So we're just going to create, sorry, let's just undo that. We're going to create keyframes, all right? So to sell this effect, we need smooth keyframes where the what is displayed on the screen comes up and goes back into the phone, right? So to sell that, we're going to need keyframe animation at this point. Yeah, so I just go ahead and set the keyframes, just organize the keyframes properly. So I'm going to speed that up as well so I don't bore you out with the process and the procedures and all that. So I'm just going to create the keyframes, scale at the parts that need to be scaled, and see you guys when I'm done with that. All right, so next thing we want to do is to hit on splice and pick filter, depending on what your frame looks like though. Most times filter would work, but in this case, let me see what lighting looks like. Lighting hard, nah, that's definitely not gonna work, so just work with that. Okay, so but I still want this to stand out a little bit more, so I'm just going to go ahead and adjust the overlay clip, of course. So head back and get to the adjust. Okay, now under adjust, I would increase the brightness, just make some minor adjustments over there, just move around, see what it looks like. Yeah, something that looks a bit more holographic. Of course, a good rule of thumb is if you reduce the contrast, you would have this faded feel, and that works very nice in selling this effect. Also increasing the fade a little bit, of course, that's if you're working with dark theme screen. Of course, yeah, the dark theme screen works as well, right, on the device. You could also use the light screen, and set this up. So I just go ahead and, you know, just make minor adjustments, and I'll see you when I'm done. Alright, so we can see what it looks like. So we just play through. You see, that looks a lot more like a holographic display. But you can actually see that it eases back into the phone a little too slow. So create a keyframe that's a lot closer and just align it back. Let's see how that works. That's a lot faster. Delete the other keyframe. And the keyframe graphs, the motion graphs, I would definitely be working with. Let's try that ease in. Okay, I think that works better. The cubic in, yeah, that works a lot better. So just do the same thing to create a smooth keyframe animation, right, with the graphs. So I'll just set that properly. Yeah, so just add the graph right now. I think ease in works. And yeah, so that's what it looks like. Now I'm just going to go ahead and do the sound design. Of course, this video is not for sound design, so I'm going to put in the sound design and play the video just right about now. And do let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you have questions, do let me know as well. Don't forget to subscribe and also share to other people so the algorithm could actually suggest these videos to other people. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao, ciao.